Oh, sorry. Yeah, now you can hear me. Your Excellency, I wish to present to Your Excellency the following Kenyans who have rendered outstanding and distinguished service to the nation for conferment of honors and awards by Your Excellency. First is General Robert Kariuki Kefoshi.
General Robert Kariuki Kebochi is the Chief of the Defense Forces. He was enlisted into the Kenya Defense Forces in May 1979 and commissioned in 1980. Throughout his service of over 41 years, General Kebochi has demonstrated remarkable consistency in leadership and command, reflecting the positive values of integrity, courage, diligence to duty, selfless sacrifice, and professionalism. He is awarded the Elder of the Order of the Golden Heart, EGH, for his selfless service and devotion to the nation. Congratulations, General.
The second is Dr. Kefa Mugere Obasho.
Dr. Ombacho is the Director of Public Health and Head of the Directorate of Special Programs in the Ministry of Health. He is the Secretary to the National COVID-19 Emergency Response Committee and Joint Secretary to the Interfaith Council for COVID-19. He has served as a member of several task forces amongst the Multi-Agency Committee on Elimination of Counterfeits, Nairobi Regeneration Committee, National Technical Committee on Drug Trafficking and Abuse, amongst others. He is awarded the Elder of the Order of the Burning Spear, EBS, for his outstanding contribution in the fight against COVID-19. Congratulations, Daktari.
The next is Dr. Obajo Lois Achieng.
Dr. Ombajo Lois is a member of the COVID-19 task force. She has provided exemplary case management in the country through development of guidelines, training of health co-workers through a weekly webinar. She is also a member of the COVID-19 task force, advising on schools reopening and protocols. She is the principal investigator in various research areas, currently leading research on clinical characterization of COVID in Kenya. She is awarded the Moran of the Order of the Burning Spear, MBS, for her dedicated public service and sacrifice in the fight against COVID-19. Congratulations, Daktari.
The next is ACP Catherine Dereva.
Catherine Dereva is currently Assistant Commissioner of Prisons. She has participated in many marathon races around the world and performed exceptionally well. In 2004, she won the gold championship in the 42-kilometer marathon held in Paris, France, and also in the year 2007, the same race held in Osaka, Japan. She is awarded Moran of the Order of the Burning Spear, MBS, for outstanding performance in sports and lifting the name of Kenya high in the global arena. She also receives a book that documents record-breaking performances by Kenyan athletes across the globe. That is the book, Your Excellency, that she also receives. Congratulations, Catherine Dereva.
The next one, sir, is Alice Jerry Mwaura.
Mwaura Alice Jerry is a senior nursing officer in charge of the isolation wards at Kenyatta Teaching and Referral Hospital, where critically ill COVID-19 patients are admitted. During COVID-19 pandemic, she has worked behind her scheduled time to ensure COVID-19 patients receive the best care. She has also doubled up as a counselor to the COVID-19 patients' relatives. She is awarded the Order of the Grand Warrior of Kenya, OGW of Kenya, for her selfless and dedicated service despite considerable risk of contracting the disease herself. Congratulations, Alice.
The next one, sir, is Abdul Mamo Umuro.
Abudo Umoro is a team leader within the medical laboratory practice. He has helped establish excellent service delivery centers and programs focusing on primary and specialized laboratory services. He is the head of the National Influenza Center that responds timely and accurately to COVID-19 sample testing. He is awarded the Order of the Grand Warrior of Kenya for outstanding contribution to the health sector. Congratulations, Mr. Abudo.
The next one, sir, is Timothy Cheriot.
Chief Inspector Timothy Cheriot won a gold medal in the 1500 race during the 2019 World Athletics Championships in Doha, Qatar. Previously, Cheriot has taken second position in the same race in Durban, South Africa, London Marathon, and Gold Coast, Australia. He is awarded the Order of the Grand Warrior of Kenya, OGW, for exemplary service to the nation through sports. He also receives, and congratulations, he also receives a book that documents a record of winning performances by Kenyan athletes across the globe. Congratulations, Chief Inspector Timothy Cheriot. Congratulations.
The next one, sir, is Isa Mohammed Mahamoud.
Senior Superintendent of Police Issa Mohammed has led security operations on terrorism in Wajir and Garissa, resulting in arrest and convictions. He has also been instrumental in investigations of counterfeit goods, drug trafficking, amongst other criminal networks, and also brought to stop criminal gangs. He is awarded the Order of the Grand Warrior of Kenya for his diligent and dedicated service in the fight against criminal activities. Congratulations, SSP Issa Mohammed.
The next one, sir, is Second Lieutenant Abdullah Boru Godana.
Second Lieutenant Abdullah Boru Godana was enlisted in the Kenya Defense Forces in October 2014. On the night of 6th May 2020, while serving at the African Union mission in Somalia, AMISOM, the Al-Shabaab militia attacked and overwhelmed Somalia security forces at their camp in Biriskonani town, Somalia. He responded by tactically leading his platoon to reinforce the Somalia security forces. He conducted a counterattack within a civilian-dominated area, which saw 3 Al-Shabaab militia fatally wounded, 3 AK-47 rifles, and a rocket-propelled grenade warhead recovered. His leadership saw the rescue of the Somalia security forces base without harming civilians or destroying private property. He is awarded the Silver Star of Kenya Medal. Congratulations, Second Lieutenant Abdullah.
The next one, sir, is Private Paul Mauki Gaisho.
Private Paul Mauki Gaishu was enlisted into Kenya Defense Forces in November 2013. Your Excellency, on 11th of March 2016, Senior Private Gaishu, together with 22 other soldiers, were headed back to the Yawak station from leave on board a boat from Mada Island to Kiunda. Upon reaching Mulango, which is just 1 kilometer from the deep sea, the boat capsized around 5 p.m. He was the only swimmer amongst the 23 soldiers. He took control of the situation and swam into action. He gave verbal orders and directions and physically aided his fellow soldiers to hang on to the boat until they reached the shore at around 3:30 p.m. the next day, after 23 hours, Your Excellency. Senior Private Gaishu risked his life for his fellow soldiers. His conspicuous act of gallantry composed a self-sacrifice ultimately saved the life of 20 soldiers who would have lost at sea. He is awarded the Silver Star of Kenya Medal. Congratulations, Private Paul Mauki Gaishu.
The next and the last is Julius Karanja Irongo.
Administration Police Constable Julius Karanja Irongo is currently working in Wajir County. He is specialized in counter-terrorism and currently serving as a special operator in volatile areas along the Kenya-Somali border. On 27th of December 2019, Your Excellency, in the company of other officers, they ran into an ambush where they were hit by an improvised explosive device while on patrol in Kolof Haral area. He repelled the Al-Shabaab and managed to call for reinforcement in time. Unfortunately, in the ensuing battle, he lost his sight permanently. He is awarded the Silver Star Medal for bravery in service. Congratulations, APC Julius Karanja Irongo. Congratulations.
Yes. Thank you, Your Excellency, for affording us the time to honor these gallant sons and daughters of Kenya. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I wish to invite Your Excellency, sir, back to the main dais for the ceremony of beating of the retreat.
Mali ilitoka eh? Sawa, shika hapo.